Hey guys, so it is officially time for some Groovepad tutorials. This time we are doing Groovepad, including hip hop legacy. So I am ready to get started, you guys. Are you guys ready? Yeah? Okay, let's do it. Start with some lessons. Okay, did I crush the beat, Maggie?
Yes you did.
Yes, I actually got it. Lesson 1 is complete. Now it's time for lesson 2, so here we go, baby. Okay, so that was a good one, too. Lesson 2 is complete. Now it's time for lesson 3. Here we go. So basically I crushed it. I need some purpose points. Whole entire elimination. Now it's time for lesson 4. Did I crush lesson 4?
Yeah, you did. Good job.
That was absolutely perfect in slayings and successful, actually. it is my latest opportunity to move forward towards these beats. So, isn't that wonderful? It is. Obviously, I didn't know what to do. But luckily, I just did anyway, so please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, get it, girl.
Check. 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 Wait.
Okay, so I think this one was good. So yeah, I did crush lesson 6. Now we need to move on to this kind of lesson. It's gonna be a little harder, huh? Oh yeah, definitely. So let's do it. Here we go, baby.
Wait. 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 Check. Check.
Once again,
Listen to the heartbeat of America.
Chevy SUVs are made with everything you need to bring out your best and tech that has your back.
Hey Google, text the block party crew, we're almost there.
That's the day Chevrolet.
oh wait, okay, oh yeah.
Yes! Now it's time for lesson 8. We're almost completely finished with this type of lesson on Groovepad. You ready, Maggie?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it, baby. So, apparently, I didn't know what I was doing, baby. Why? Well, anyways, here we go.
Once again,
Okay, I can go ahead and crush lesson 8.
yes.
absolutely crushed it. I need to push through my limits now. Unfortunately, you guys know how much it hurts, right? Yeah, you knew. You knew how much it got. I'm gonna even afford me. Now that's a strategy. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Oh my gosh, get this ad out of me. I hate this. What is wrong with me today?
Check.
Put your hands up. Put your hands up. Once again. Once again. Once again. Once again.
Make a nerve beat. Yes, I did it. I absolutely, hooray! We finally completed the lesson 10. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You already know that if you messed up on this type of lesson, you're gonna have to at least try it again. But don't worry, you won't necessarily mess it up. So, good for me, and thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment what lessons or on Groovepad would you rather do. So, let me know in the comments. Bye!